Other things that really make a difference, like as much dance, as much art, as much play that you can introduce with your kids, that's where they're going to thrive the most. We love learning through play. Do you, if I asked you, do you have one or two songs that you have all the words in your head memorized? Could you think of a song?
Now, if it was a preschool song, yes.
Okay, but now here's the thing. Did you ever, like when it was Row, Row, Row Your Boat, when it was Toto Africa, whether it was You Can Call Me Al, Paul Simon, whatever
right,
it is,
right,
like,
okay,
those
yeah,
are songs
yeah.
I know, but it's not like I sat there and go, man walks down the street, says, why am I short of man now, short of time? It's just you're learning, and your brain activates, like the parasympathetic area of the brain activates more, and now a week later, you know the chorus. 2 weeks later, you heard it 3 times. You know this. Within 3 weeks, you know every single word. You never learned and studied it. And that's unfortunately the problem that I've felt is it needs to be addressed, especially when it works with neurodiverse kids, is that we've been programmed to educate, meaning to give information and the kids download it. I don't ever want to be an educator. I want to be, which what I am now is an educer. To educe is to bring forth. So I'd rather have these kids tell me what they want to do. Like when I read about child-led preschools, I absolutely, and Montessori, I love it because it's like there's so much more happening than these other organizations and schools that they're doing what they're programmed to get the kids ready for industrialized school systems with tests, even though there's no tests in reality.